Choose these 3 Vern texturizing scissors for adjusting more, medium, and less hair volume and use them together. You will find that there are no cutting marks when trimming hair, allowing for precise control over the amount of hair removed and ensuring very safe use. For the lower section, adjust the hair volume at hair roots and the middle of the hair. This hairstyle is done using Vern both-handed faultless cutting technique. Specifically, use these 2 Vern scissors in combination for cutting the length. Trim the hair to the desired length using a texturizing to cut technique. Note that my cutting method, which is to repeatedly cut hair slices left and right, resulting in soft and natural hair ends rather than a hard line. On the other side, using the left hand to make the hair flow consistent and the operation smoother. The second layer of hair is connected and continues to cut the length following the guideline. For the bangs, the same texturizing to cut method is used to quickly cut the length. Finally, use unique Vern haircut tools to create 3-dimensional and wispy effects in a hairstyle through slanting texturizing. Enhancing the linear effect on the surface layer, making this hairstyle more perfect and outstanding.
Welcome to leave a comment. Hit the like, share, subscribe buttons, and click the bell to receive notifications of latest videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. You wanna buy Vern scissors? Get more details in description.